Find the values of delta f delta x and delta f delta y at the point 4, -5 if fxy equals to x squared plus 3xy plus y minus 1. So for the first derivative with respect to x is differentiate x squared using power rule is 2x plus differentiate 3xy with respect to x using constant multiple rule is write down 3y differentiate x is 1. 1 times 3y is 3y. Differentiate y minus 1 with respect to x is 0 because y and 1 is a constant. So let us substitute the point 4, -5 into our delta f delta x. So we're going to get 2 times 4 plus 3 times -5 is 8 minus 15 is -7. So let us find delta f delta y, which is the first partial derivative with respect to y. So differentiate x squared with respect to y is 0 because x squared is constant. Differentiate 3xy with respect to y is 3x because once we differentiate y with respect to y is 1. 1 times 3x is 3x. Differentiate y with respect to y is 1. Differentiate -1 with respect to y is 0 because -1 is a constant. So let us find at the point 4, -5, what is the value for delta f delta y. Substitute into 3 times 4 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. That's it.